This video explains how to buy shares of First National Corp /VA, a regional Virginia bank that provides retail and commercial banking services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FXNC. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account. Verification usually requires an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FXNC to find the correct listing. Confirm the result matches First National Corp /VA before proceeding to the asset page. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart, confirming this is the FXNC listing. Make sure the company description and NASDAQ ticker match before you trade. Tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, select the order type, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued to the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once your order is confirmed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro for reference is available in the description below.